guys, how are you doing today? Welcome to Maths with a Sonofo. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to differentiate a function y with respect to x using the product rule. Okay, product rule is defined that when you have u to be redefined in terms of, when you have y to be redefined in terms of u and v, where the differentiation dy dx of the function is equal to v du, differentiating v, keeping v the same, and multiply when you differentiate u with respect to x, then plus u, then you have to differentiate v with respect to x. Okay, this term u and v is gotten when we reassign these terms of the function u and v. So u will be equal to the first term, which is 5x to the power of 2 plus 3x. Then v will be redefined as 2x power 4 plus 8. Okay, if we have this now, you can now see that since these terms u and v is gotten, y will be redefined as uv, as we have here. So to differentiate this, we'll first of all differentiate u with respect to x, which is du dx. This is our u. Recall, to differentiate a function, you multiply the power of the variable x to the constant, then you minus 1 from the power. So here we are going to multiply 2 to the 5x squared, then minus 1 from the power. Then differentiating a constant is 0. So you can now see that 2 times 5 is 10, you have it as 10. 2 minus 1 is 1, you have it as 10x. The next thing you do is to differentiate v with respect to x. If you differentiate v with respect to x, you multiply the power 4 to the variable, so you have it as 4 multiplied by 2x power 4 minus 1 from the variable. When you are differentiating a constant is 0. You have it to be 8x to the power of 3. Okay? So here we've gotten this. That means we go back to our differentiation with respect to x. That means our v is what? 2x power 4 plus 8. Then we are multiplying it by du dx. Our du dx is 10x. You have it as 10x plus our dv, our u is what? 2. Wait. Our v du. Our u is 5x power 3 plus 3, 5x power squared plus 3. Then we'll multiply it by our dv. Our dv is what? 8x power 3. So to multiply, 10x multiply this will give you the same thing as 20x power 5. You add the powers. Then plus 10x times 8 will give you 80x. Okay? Then you can now see that 8x power 3 times this will give you plus 40x power 5. 8x power 3 times 3 will give you plus 24x power 3. On simplifying, you see that we have two common terms, 20x power 5 plus 40x power 5. It will give us what? 60x power 5 plus the next one is 24x power 3. Okay, then plus 80x. And that is